For months, we've been anxiously awaiting a vaccine, knowing that it would mark the most significant turning point in this pandemic. It's finally here, and with it comes the hope that life will truly return to normal in the not-too-distant future. But for now, we must continue to be patient for a few more months as the vaccine supply increases along with the number of people who will be receiving it. That's a critical component to the vaccine's success and its ability to put an end to the pandemic. As many people as possible must be vaccinated to achieve herd immunity across our population. A couple of weeks ago, Dr. Brooks Jackson from UIHC, who was directly involved in the Pfizer clinical trials, joined my press conference and spoke about his confidence in the vaccine's safety and efficacy and encouraged Iowans to be vaccinated when they're able to be. It's normal and expected that people will have many questions about a new vaccine. And to help ensure that Iowans have the information that they need, the Department of Public Health will be providing regular information about the vaccines through social media and other channels so that you can keep up to date with the latest information as it becomes available. We'll also begin reporting the number of Iowans that have been vaccinated. The Iowa Department of Public Health is working now to create a new dashboard that will report our progress on the state's website at coronavirus.iowa.gov. In the meantime, we will provide updates as they're available. We know that the more that you know, the more confident you'll be when making decisions regarding your own vaccination. I want Iowans to know that I plan to be vaccinated after healthcare workers and long-term care residents and staff have received their vaccination. Exactly when that will occur will depend on prioritization for the next phase of the vaccination. Director Garcia is going to speak about that in a little bit. My decision to wait isn't based on any hesitancy about the vaccine. Rather, during this first phase, I want to make sure that those on the front lines caring for Iowans and long-term care residents who are at risk are vaccinated first. I'm confident that the vaccine is both safe and effective, and I look forward to being vaccinated as soon as the supply increases and access expands to the broader population, and I'll let you know exactly when that will be. In the meantime, I'll continue to follow public health guidance, as we all must, to protect ourselves and others from the virus while it still remains active in our communities. COVID-19 isn't over simply because the vaccine is here and beginning to be administered, but the finish line is finally in sight. As I said earlier on, the pandemic would be a marathon, not a sprint, and we need to pace ourselves so that we can endure it through the end, and that still holds true today. Achieving widespread vaccination across Iowa will take some time, but we are very close. Just a few short months from now, things could look remarkably different than they have for nearly a year.